The Walnut Hollow Creative Hobby Tool is ideal for a variety of techniques. Hobby enthusiasts of all skill levels can use this tool for wood burning, leather burning, soldering metal, and cutting foam core and plastics. The package includes a 950-degree tool with an easy on-off switch, a tool stand, 7 unique points, a lead-free solder, and instructions. Wood burning with the texture and tone point creates an interesting and detailed pattern. The tapered point can be used to make extra fine lines. Use the mini flow point to burn smooth lines and curves on leather accessories. The hot knife point and hooked hot knife point cut a variety of materials such as foam core, plastic, and wax. Join metals using the 2 included soldering points and the lead-free solder. Before changing the points, remember to turn the tool off and let it cool completely. Once the tool is cool, use pliers to twist off the point and to screw in the new point. The tool will take about 5 minutes to heat up. Hold the tool as you would a large pencil. Use light pressure and let the heat of the tool do the work. Place the tool on the stand when not in use. The Walnut Hollow Creative Hobby Tool can be used for various applications such as stencil making, wood burning, leather burning, soldering, foam cutting, and so much more. How will you use it?